In this video, I'll show you how to edit a Smartsheet report so it's perfectly tailored to your project needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Start by opening your Smartsheet workspace and locating the report you want to edit. Click to open it. Once inside, head to the top toolbar. This is your main control hub for editing. Begin by managing your source sheets. Add or remove sheets to ensure your report pulls the right data. Next, select which columns to display. Focus on the most relevant columns to avoid overwhelming your audience and to make your report clear and easy to read. Now, set your filter criteria. This lets you show only the rows that matter, like tasks marked in progress. You can also use grouping and sorting to organize your data, making it more structured and easier to analyze. Once your edits are done, go to the File menu and click Save to preserve all changes. Review your report to make sure it looks just right and make any final adjustments if needed. And that's it. Your Smartsheet report is now customized and ready to provide clear, focused insights for your team or clients. Happy editing!